So we have gone through the Vagrant, and we are just trying the use of we have come. So what we have done, we have completed till we have gone through in our last session virtualization. We have completed the virtualization and intro about the Vagrant. Installation and configuration also we have done it. Right? As you have installed and you have installed Vagrant on your laptop. Okay, so I will just again repeat only the installation steps. Okay, and then we will begin. So the latest version is 2.2.4. Now the available downloads are on the basis of OS. On the basis of OS, we download the required downloaders. So as we have used Windows 64-bit, so it has different links to all the downloaders as per the operating systems. Okay. So now installation steps are that we have to go to the download it, and the requirements for running a Vagrant are: we have a Vagrant application, we have VirtualBox, we have SSH. That is, we have a SSH terminal, any terminal, because if you use Windows command prompt, this is not working fine with the command. Okay. So that's why we need any other SSH terminal also. So in our case, what we have done SMDER. It depends on it. The user can use any of the SSH terminal, whatever is available, and they can download and they can use it. Okay. So the installation steps are download Vagrant, then SSH terminal, and the VirtualBox. Okay. Now how to install Vagrant on Windows? So these are the steps to install Vagrants on the Windows. What we have done, we have downloaded Vagrant. What we have done, and then we have downloaded the VirtualBox, and then we have downloaded the SSH client. So, and now to start it out, we have, because the SSH client which we got is available in a zip file. We have to extract, we have to create a folder on our, as per our wish, that whether we want to make it on our laptop, whether we want to make it on external drive also. So as you have created on external drive, and there we extract this SSH ground. Is fine? Hello?
Hello, yes, sorry.
Okay, I just thought that there were maybe some network issue and you it has been...
Yeah, so you had you on mute, sorry.
No issues. So we have created it, and then now, to get everything at one location, at one folder, so that we can use, so we create a one folder on our hard drive or an external drive, and then we will use it while working with the SSH client. So these are the steps. Now for creating our first virtual machine, okay? The steps to create first machine: go to the folder CMDIR. I will show you. So as in my case, I have created a folder on this volume, DevOps folder. Under DevOps folder, I have created CMDIR, and I have unzipped it. So from here, I will start my SSH client. When I will start my SSH client, it will show like this. My complete screen is visible. Now SSH client is visible to you, Martin?
Hello. Yes, sorry, I'm here. Yeah.
The SSH client is visible to you. So my complete client is visible.
Yeah, it is, yes.
Okay. So after this, we will change the folder created in your local drive. So now what I will do, I have gone to the folder. What the folder I have created a Vagrant folder. So in DevOps, I have a Vagrant folder. Okay, so I have gone to this Vagrant folder. Now the next step is click on the required box. Now we have to go to this link, http vagrantup.com. So the vagrantup.com is visible to you?
Yes, it's visible.
Now from here we will click on find boxes.
Okay.
So the boxes, and as per which box we want to take, we take that box. Okay. Okay. So now click on, but if we now when we click on this, what we will find that there is a Vagrant file, existing Vagrant file. So we will not use this. What we will go, we will click on new. Okay. So because this is already created there, so let me see. I will use CentOS 7. Okay, because this Ubuntu I have created here. So I will go and click. Now what I will do, I will copy Vagrant int command from here and will control V. So now then I will say Vagrant int CentOS. Okay. Now here, if you have another Vagrant file, because when we use this Vagrant in it command, it creates a Vagrant file on that folder. So what it will give? It will give me an error that Vagrant file is already exists.
Okay.
Okay. So to be on safer side, we can have another folder in this another folder. Let's say Vagrant file. Okay. Now I will just cd Vagrant box. Okay, sorry. CD Vagrant. Okay. Now here I will say Vagrant init CentOS. So when I will do this Vagrant init CentOS, it will create an Vagrant file.
Okay.
So if I will go to this Vagrant box, I will see that just now this Vagrant file is being created.
Right. Okay.
Earlier it was not doing because we have Vagrant file in this box.
Yes.
This box. So now we get a new term. Now we can use Vagrant -v to know the version. Now for starting with the virtual box, okay? So we have to create a virtual box there. That is, we have to add a virtual box. When we have what we have done, if you see in above command CentOS 7, we have initialized the CentOS 7 virtual box using a Vagrant file. Vagrant file has all the configuration related to this virtual box. Okay. So if I will show you a Vagrant file, okay. Because Vagrant is not up, I will show later on. So now Vagrant initialized. Now what we will say, Vagrant up. So Vagrant up will create a virtual machine. It will create a virtual machine. So Vagrant init is initialize the virtual box, and Vagrant up it will be available. The virtual box will be available.
Okay.
1 minute. Martin, here I have done one mistake. Before initializing, we have to add. So the first step is to add.
Okay.
So Vagrant TV. So we have one command, Vagrant box. Okay, Vagrant box add. So before going initializing, we do this. Yeah. Okay, I have given it here. While doing this, I missed this point. We have Vagrant box, then Vagrant initialize. Vagrant up, then Vagrant in. So now when we are doing Vagrant up, sometimes it will show an error. So what error it shows? It shows error that if in your laptop, the virtual VT or AMD, by default it was disabled. So if virtualization is not enabled in your laptop, your Vagrant up will show an error.
Okay.
Okay. So in that case, what we do, if we encounter any such error where it says VT is not found. Okay. So when it says VT is not found, not able to this. So in that case, what we do, we have to restart our laptop, goes to in our BIOS, and then make it enable.
Okay.
So to make it enable in our place, then only we will be able to use it. So it takes some time. So once it was done, then so I think these steps are being till this step we have done. We have completed. So what I will do, I will open another this EMDER, and in that we will. So if we say Vagrant SSH, because in this I have already downloaded Ubuntu 364.
Okay.
So in it is still running. So we can. So now here, if I am seeing, I'm not able to connect my. So what I will say, Vagrant SSH on click. We have Vagrant box, which will show us the available box.
Okay.
So I have two box, Harshika put go and Ubuntu test because I have closed it and I have that's why I have to reload. So we have one command. So let's move to name. So meanwhile, when it was up, let's have the different commands.
Okay.
So we have Vagrant box command. Now the Vagrant box command is used when we want to perform any operations related to box, just like when we have to add a box, when we have to list a box. So to add a new box. So whenever we want to add a new box, suppose we want to use a multiple box. Whenever we want, so we have to use Vagrant box add command.
Okay.
Martin, give me 1 minute.
Okay, yes, take your time. Sure.
So now using the, sorry for this. So now using SSH, we come to the box.
Okay.
Okay. So we have these commands, add to add a new box, to list, to display the list of commands. So the syntax is Vagrant box add. So when we use this Vagrant box add, it will add a new box.
Okay.
Vagrant box list. So Vagrant box list gives the list of all the added boxes in that.
Okay.
I will show you once it will run out. Now outdated. Now when Vagrant box outdated. This command is used to know whether the Vagrant suppose we have added a Vagrant box. Now there was an update on that box, which is available on vagranthub.com.
Okay.
Okay, so new patch has been done and there was a new update in that Vagrant box content. So now if we want to check whether the Vagrant box what we are using is updated as per available on vagranthub.com. So what we will do, we can use this command Vagrant box outdated. It will check the Vagrant box which is configured on a virtual box and with what the configuration is there on the virtual vagranthub.com. It will compare it. If it is not, then it will give the information. If it is equal, there was no update was there, then it will give the information.
Okay.
Now Vagrant box prune. This is a command which is used to remove the older version. Now we found that there is some update on there, so we have an older version. We will remove the older version and then we add the new version.
Okay.
Okay. Vagrant remove is being used to Vagrant box remove command is being used to remove the box added there. Okay.
Okay.
Vagrant repackage. So what it will do? Repackage means we have initialized a Vagrant box. Now to reuse this box, we will not again. What we will do? We will write Vagrant box repackage. So in our current directory, suppose in my case, what I have done, I have created DevOps Vagrant is a folder. Now in Vagrant folder where there was a Vagrant file, it will keep this package of this box. So in case if we want to use, we can use in another environment or another place we have not to initialize again. We can use it for the reusability. This repackage as command is there. Okay. Now update. If we write Vagrant box update, it updates the box in the current. So when we found that it was outdated, we can update using the Vagrant box update command. This outdated command will only compare the file with the on Vagrant. But the update command, what it will do, the update command will update the Vagrant box on our current Vagrant environment. On our current Vagrant environment means where we have initialized this Vagrant box and we have created a VM. So at that environment, it will update.
Okay.
Okay. So let's see all these commands. Add list outdated.
Okay.
So now if we say Vagrant box add. Now if I will say Ubuntu Trusty 64, it will take some time and then it will.
Okay.
Okay. So now what happens? This box is already there.
Okay.
Okay. So if it is already there, then it will not do. see another box which will not be there. So let's say what we will do. Let's take this. Okay. Now I will say Vagrant. So in case box add control V. If your box is already there, it will not add because it is already there.
Right.
Now, when it will add, it will ask us that what type of box we want to add. Either we want Hyper-V, or we want a Parallels, or we want a virtual box, or we want a VMware desktop. Because we are working on virtual box, so what we will do, we will select third option, virtual box. Because here we are using virtual box. So when I will say enter, now it will add. So it will ask that what type of box we want to add. So because it will take time, I am opening my another SSH client.
Okay.
So now what we do? Now we have used Vagrant. Add box as Vagrant box list. Now you are seeing we have added 3 boxes. I have 3 boxes. I have Ubuntu Trustee 64, HashiCorp Precise 65, and CentOS 7. Now, when this box is added, what I have used the last one, it will have the 4 boxes. So, Vagrant box list command is to get the list of boxes available with us. Whatever the Vagrant boxes we are using, it will give. Okay. Now, if I say Vagrant box outdated, if I say outdated, and when I click, it will compare. And then it will give us the. Now it has checked the Ubuntu Trustee 64.
Okay.
Now this actually it has only first box, any one box, that Ubuntu Trustee 64. Now I have 3 boxes. If I want to check whether all the boxes are up to date, so what I will use, Vagrant box outdated / globally.
Okay.
So whatever the boxes we have in our current Vagrant globally, so it is global. I have done a mistake. Vagrant box outdated global.
Okay.
Yeah, I have done a mistake. I have write it as globally. It is global.
Okay.
Sorry for that. Now it has said Ubuntu Trustee 64 virtual box is up to date. HashiCorp Precise is also, and CentOS 7 is also up to date. If we have only one box, then we can use Vagrant box outdated. But if we have multiple boxes, so we can use Vagrant box outdated -- global. Then it will take all the boxes. The next command, prune, to remove older version. Because we don't have any older version, but when we use Vagrant box, it will check. If it will not found, it will give the. If only any older versions are there, okay. So he says what it will say, the following boxes will be kept because these are up to date. Now checking for older boxes, no old version of boxes to remove.
Oh, so it checks for older versions and then.
Yeah. So it checks the older version and then only it will remove. Okay. So the next is remove the added box. So suppose now we want to remove HashiCorp Precise. So what I will say, Vagrant box remove the name of HashiCorp Precise 64.
Okay.
Now why it is giving this that box what I want to remove is not present because I have already removed it. So now if I say, because I have another also, what I will say, Vagrant box remove Ubuntu Trustee 64. I have removed that also. So if it is, because I was just checking if it is working fine or not. Okay. Okay, now it will ask whether you want to remove or not. So if I will say no, okay, so it will check it out because earlier 2 was already. So now are you sure you want to remove this box? If you say yes, then it will remove. If you say no, then it will not remove. So it asks for confirmation. Now, in case if you say there is one more command, Vagrant box remove, and I have set CentOS /7 -f. -f is being used for forcefully removing. It will not ask for confirmation.
Okay.
If I click now, it will remove. It will not ask for confirmation. Earlier it has asked for confirmation. If I say -f, it will not ask for confirmation. It has given removing box CentOS 7 with provider virtual box.
Okay.
Okay. So now what we can now if we want to add what we say virtual box add I have written virtual box instead of Vagrant box. I have
Okay.
virtual box. I have written virtual box. So that's
No.
why it has given.
Oh, okay.
So that's why box add I will tell you this error when we do a cloud command.
Okay.
Okay, because when we are doing this Vagrant cloud command, there we make it as a private. So that is because it is giving the HashiCorp could not be found or could not be accessed in the remote catalog if this is a private box in a HashiCorp. Okay.
Okay.
So now the last command is update. Okay, so if I say Vagrant box update, it will check of the updates and then it will.
Okay. For all the boxes.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, it will. It is same. It will the same. If I say Vagrant box update global, Vagrant.
Oh, okay. Global.
Update global.
Okay.
No, global is not. Okay, we give the name of a provider. Suppose it's a HashiCorp. Here it is not a global. It is HashiCorp. It will update one by one. So if we say Vagrant box update, I say CentOS. Give me 1 minute. I'm just bringing the. Sorry for that. I just missed that batteries down.
No problem at all.
So CentOS. I think I have given a name wrongly. Let me check the list.
Okay.
Oh, we have removed that CentOS 7 now.
Right.
That's why it's funny. So when we get Vagrant box update CentOS.
Is there a way to recover that box we removed?
Pardon?
Is there a way to recover the box, the virtual box we removed?
Again, I'm not able to get it.
I was asking if there is a way we can recover.
We can recover. We can add again. We can add again. Vagrant box add. If we remove, then we can add Vagrant box add. Then add the same box.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
There was some issue because I think I have removed this HashiCorp also. So when we give the name, then if it is present, then it will update. It will give us. If it is update, it will update.
Okay.
So if I say here 1 minute, Vagrant box add. So meanwhile, when it is doing what I will I will ask you to just practice these add box commands.
Okay.
I'm just giving you the commands.
Okay, will do.
Okay. So the syntax is
okay.
Vagrant box, and after that, whatever the options. Suppose we want to use Vagrant box add, we can do Vagrant box add.
Okay.
Okay. So for this, you have to first make your Vagrant box up.
Okay.
Or you can add a new box and then practice this. Add 2 or 3 new box from vagrantup.com. And then do practice of this command.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello. Yes. Can you hear me?
Yes, I am able to hear you. Can we move to the next command?
Okay.
Have you faced any issues in these commands while running?
Yeah, it's okay. I didn't face any problem. I just followed step by step.
Okay. So you are able to execute all the commands?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Okay. So now I'm sharing my screen. Okay. It's visible? Okay. So now we have, we can move to this cloud command. Okay. So Vagrant cloud command, that is now box command, we are creating it on VMs on our current VMs on our current host. Okay. So in cloud also we can create certain virtual boxes also, just like what we have created on the VMs on our host machine laptop. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So we have this cloud command. So now for the cloud command, first we have to go to. So I will just show you one thing. So if you have not followed that also. Yes. So if I say Vagrant cloud, then I will this. So it will ask for the username.
Cloud command can be used for.
So Vagrant cloud command or box provider, publish, search, and version. Okay. So Vagrant has subcommands. that is auth. We will take one by one. So now if I say Vagrant Cloud Auth, if I say this, so when I will say this, then it will ask me for the username.
Okay.
So subcommands of Vagrant Cloud Auth is login, log out, and who am I? So if I say Vagrant Cloud Auth login, okay. So it will ask me Vagrant Cloud user. Now for this, what we have to do? We have to go vagrantcloud.com. So let me open a new window of this Google Chrome. Now here we have create an account. If you already have an account, then you can sign in. Okay. Otherwise, you have to create an account.
Okay.
So when we go here, create an account.
Mm-hmm.
So it will ask for a username. So this username will be part of your Vagrant box. So you can give any username. Suppose I have given email address. Now I have to choose a password. I have choose a password and again I have choose a password. Now this account is created. When this account is created,
Mm-hmm.
as in all the accounts, whenever you create any account, it will go for confirmation on your mail ID. So a confirmation will come on your mail ID.
Okay.
Okay, so from there you have to confirm and then to click on that. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So now here, what I have done, I have created my account. So now when it is asking my username or email, I will give my username. Okay. Then
Mm-hmm.
it will ask for password. I will give my password.
Okay.
Now it will ask for token description. So when we'll ask for token description, so what we will do, I will go to this, okay, and then I will say, I will go to settings, okay, and the settings will ask for my password. I will give my password and I will say authentic. Okay, so now it has. Now if I go to security, I have here authentication tokens.
Okay.
Okay, so here I will give. Let me say for my security, I have given a description as security and I will say generate token.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
You have to generate token. Now this token will be generated. You
Okay.
have copied this token. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And keep it at one place. Because whenever you will use this Vagrant using SSH client, you have to give token here. Once you will go give token, then you are logged in.
Okay. So now it's in the cloud.
Yeah, now I logged in. So if I say Vagrant Cloud auth, who am I? Because auth has this two, login, logout, who am I? So it is saying currently logged in as Sunny.
Okay.
Okay, now if I say Vagrant Cloud auth logout. So for my SSH client, I'm just log in and log out from the cloud.
Okay.
So you are logged out. Now if I write again Vagrant Cloud auth, who am I? I am logged out from there.
Right.
So now let's see what this is. Now it will ask if you want to go to Vagrant Cloud account.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So it will ask for a login and then it will say, suppose I will say, okay, my username is this, my password is this, my token is this. Now it will display who am I? You are logged in, currently logged in as this. So
I see.
even if you are logged out from there, then also you can come to know who am I. It will ask you again to log in and then will tell.
Okay. Interesting.
Okay.
In the cloud, when you create any boxes, they will be in the cloud. Who manages the boxes in the cloud?
Actually, it is in just in account vagrant.com manages this
Okay.
boxes. So we can create using here. Now, if I will say I will go to my dashboard, okay.
Mm-hmm.
Either what I will do, I will create a new Vagrant account box here.
Oh.
We can create from here also, and we can when we are logged in here. Okay. So what I will do, the command for this will be Vagrant Cloud box. Okay, so if I will see here command Vagrant Cloud box add, if I say I want to add CentOS 7.
Okay.
Now you see it will give one error. It will I will tell you why it's giving this error.
Asking you to log in first.
No, I have created a login. If you see here, if you say create a new Vagrant box, okay. So it is that Vagrant box name will be your user ID, your username / then the Vagrant box name.
Okay.
If you see here, so what it is saying, create, delete, show. Oh, sorry, I just missed it out. Vagrant. In cloud, it is not add, box, create.
Okay.
Create and 2 7. So when we are moving on a box, the box says Now it is says fail to create CentOS 7. The error it is carrying, resource not found. Now if I say, because if you go to the cloud, it always asks first is the username slash then the name of a box. Okay, so in case if I will do here Vagrant Cloud box, then I have my username slash CentOS.
No create. You don't put in create.
Oh, sorry, I missed that. Okay, create slash CentOS slash
7. Okay.
Now, what's the error? Because in a box name, it will take only letters, numbers, and dashes. No slash, nothing. So if I say Vagrant Cloud Box Create, because with username it will be slash. In the name, if I say dash 7, okay? Because the name in a cloud is username slash then the box name. Now, if you are again giving it, then it is confused. It will not. If I say Vagrant Cloud Box, now you see here, it has created a box. Or if I will go to my dashboard, okay, if I go to my dashboard, so we can create from this UI also, and using my SSH terminal, we can create a box. Okay. So now with cloud command auth, with auth, we have 3 subsets: login, logout, and who am I subcommand. With box, if you see the subcommands, we have I will show you from here only. Create, delete, show, update. Now, if I have used create command. Now, if I say Vagrant Cloud Box, now show, let me don't put any name, I will just say show. Okay, so it's asking you have to have username, version, or whatever displayed box information. So not only show, it will have Vagrant Cloud Box. So with you also it will not come. It will ask if I have to give a complete my username. Okay, I have done one mistake here. I have not used the word username. I have directly given my username. I have done it intentionally to show you that if you give a username, then it will give this. Okay, so the actual syntax will be Vagrant Cloud Box show username, and then you will write your username. Your username or your email ID. I am logged in. I have not logged out. Yeah, because I have logged in here. 1 minute, one. Vagrant Cloud Box show options, organization or box name. Okay, yes, what I have done. So it's saying now, if you see here, Vagrant Cloud Box show option is organization slash box name. Okay, so this means this will be the complete name. If I see this, CentOS. Now if I say, so it shows. Now if I say Vagrant, let's see if we create 2 boxes. Vagrant Cloud Box create slash HashiCorp SIC. Now if I say Vagrant Cloud Box
HashiCorp. That's precise.
So we have to give the name.
Okay.
Okay. Now update. If I say Vagrant Cloud Box update, then Windows 7. It is the same update command what we have earlier we are doing on our laptop. Now what I have done, because it has some parameters which is to be given when we use an update. So when it's being a Vagrant Cloud, if you see usage Vagrant Cloud Box update options, then the organization name. So what I update, because now if we go to this, now what we want to update in this. Okay, whether we want, if you this rack are not really 1 minute. If I can go here, if there is if I go to settings. Okay, if I go to settings, now in settings I have name, visibility, whether it is private or this, okay, and a short description. Now here I have not given any short description. I want to update my box with the short description. Okay, short description. So what I will do, I will go this update, then dash short dash description. So this is 2 words. So here we have the short description, and then what is the description I am giving? Let me say HashiCorp. Okay, and then I will give my user and this name of the precise 64.
Oh, the spelling of HashiCorp.
HashiCorp is size, so it's not.
Yeah, Hashi. It should be I instead of O.
Oh, yes. I haven't seen that. Okay. Now, if we go here and on a dashboard, we will refresh it. So here it comes Ashika.
Okay.
Okay. Now this private is not selected. Suppose I want to make it private. So what I will do, I will copy this command and it will be, I will go to this instead of short description. What I will write? Private. And I will remove this. It must have done it true here. I will check what the reason is because it will make it true. So
Okay.
maybe some. So this is about the cloud box.
Okay. Sounds good.
Then the provider publish search version. So let's see, go to these commands. So this Vagrant Cloud Provider, this command is used to manage the lifecycle operations of all provider entries of Vagrant Cloud. What are the different providers? So if you see here, we have versions, new versions, and in settings. If I will show you here only, Vagrant Cloud Provider. Let's see what are the syntax.
Okay.
Yes, commands. It has it has different sub commands, that is create, delete, update, upload. So these are the various sub commands. Create, delete, update, upload. If I say Vagrant Cloud Provider create, so it has a syntax. Its syntax is Vagrant Cloud Provider, then options, then organization box name, provider name, and if we okay. So here how we can do that, provider name. Now if you go here, if you go to dashboard and new Vagrant box, find boxes, same what we are doing. So we can have the providers because providers are there. This Ubuntu and these are the providers.
Okay.
Okay, so provider name, if we go to this, so this is a provider name.
Oh, okay.
So here if you see now, this version was about 5 hours ago. There is a description, one provider for this one. Okay, provider will be. Okay, so when it is in provider name, so for provider name, we have to give the URL. That is for this. The URL is for this. If I will say this will be the URL for the provider. Let's
Okay.
so what I will give, Vagrant Cloud Provider. Okay, create an option is
organization box name.
Create option, create a provider name of Vagrant Cloud. So here I will say
May once the organization
provider, because we are giving provider. Okay, provider. Provider will be Ubuntu. Ubuntu. Okay. Ubuntu plus 3 4.
Ashiko.
5 4. Then provider name and version.
Version.
Sorry, it will not come here. Virtual box, because we want to get a provider is a virtual box and the name will be, let me see, I have done some. I will check this why it's not giving.
Okay.
Okay. So I will check this side because I was doing some mistake here. Same is with publish, search, and version. Version is want to give it out. So let's so if I say Vagrant Cloud Publish, now this is what is this now? 5.10.7. I think 7. Then let me say, I will say, I will give here sign boxes and the version and the providers are whether if we are taking a virtual box or the type when we choose the options when we are creating now whether it is. So these are the providers: virtual box, libvirt, or Hyper-V, or VMware desktop. So these are the providers that this type of box we are creating. Okay. So what I will say, if I will write down CentOS 7 and CentOS 7, then I will say 1.0.0, then I say virtual box. If we have this virtual box.
Okay.
If I saying Vagrant Cloud Publish, organization name, provider name, and provider file. Provider file is there is some issue here. So this cloud thing, I will just recheck again what where I have making some mistake.
Okay.
So now let's move to this package command. So cloud command, I will just check it out. Where I was making some mistake there. So Vagrant package. So if I say Vagrant package, so it packages your virtual box. I say Vagrant package CentOS 7.
Okay.
I think we have removed this. Let me say Vagrant box because we have removed some boxes. Vagrant. It will take some time and it will package.
Okay.
and I will show you here on this folder, because when it will create a package folder.
Okay.
Okay. Meanwhile, we go to another command. So global status command. It gives the status of the active Vagrant environment on the system logged in user. So let's see. It's in here. Let's see in this. So if I say Vagrant global status, So it says that VirtualBox power off, default VirtualBox is power off in this, and this default VirtualBox is running in this folder. So these folders are the projects, because whenever we create a Vagrant files and other, so it has its own Vagrant file. So it will give you global status means what in the current Vagrant environment. So if we have two projects here, one is on Vagrant and one is a Vagrant box, where we have created the two different virtual boxes, Vagrant box, this virtual box, where we have created one. So if you see, so this global status will give you about how many. Suppose we have four projects, so we have four projects. So it will give you in current Vagrant environment, four projects are learning. So where we create each Vagrant file is one project in one project. Clear? Hello?
Oh, sorry, I was on mute.
Okay. So
Yeah. Yes, it's clear.
yeah. So now it is completed. Now if we go to this, we have this. If we refresh it out, you will see here we have a package box.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
We can use this package box later on. So whenever if we want to use it, we can use this package by unpackaging it and then using it for some other thing. Suppose for another project we want to use the same virtual box. Suppose Center 7 and virtual box. So we can reuse it after packaging.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Sounds good.
So initiate command we have seen it. Now port command, this displays the full list of gas ports. What are the ports being mapped to the host machine ports? Okay. So init command is always to initialize a Vagrant file. When we have used Vagrant init CentOS 7 or Ubuntu 64, we have used it. So it used that. So let's see a port command Vagrant. So here it is saying the provider reported there are no forwarded ports for this virtual machine. So here when it was initializing, it's not porting it. So if we made it out to suppose now if we see I will show you how. Now if you see here 22 guest adapter is ported.
Okay.
Vagrant virtual box is ported to CentOS 7. Okay, but we have removed this. Where it was ported, we have removed this CentOS 7. So therefore it was giving this error. Okay, and here if we see successfully added this box, because this box we have added, but we have not make it up. So port will be only when we use a port button, port command. Sorry, when we use a port command will be only for the virtual box, which is Vagrant box, which is up.
Okay.
We have made CentOS as an up, and then we have removed it, because when we are doing this remove command, so therefore it is saying that port is not being forwarded the provider, because no Vagrant is up. So therefore it is getting Vagrant port, no forwarded port virtual machine. This can be used. Okay, so because we have made it Vagrant up with the CentOS 7 and we have removed it. If it was there, then it will give the port as when we initialize, when we do a Vagrant up, whenever we do a Vagrant up button. So in that case, if you find here forwarding port, okay, 22 guests, this forwarding port, this guest, so it will give you these things, that 22 guests and this is port.
Okay.
Then we have destroy command, Vagrant destroy, and the name of the box. So it got it. And Vagrant fault. Suppose if I say here Vagrant fault, so what it will do, whatever the Vagrant VMs are running, it will make it them halt.
Okay.
Remove. Halt means it will terminate that.
Okay.
It shut down the that is what is saying attempted the shutdown of VM. So it has shut down the. But if we say destroy, Vagrant destroy. So what is the difference between halt and destroy? Halt is shutting down the machine, but destroy means what the machine, it will shut down the machine, and whatever the new resources has been created, it will destroy all those resources.
Okay.
So if I say yes, then it will destroy.
To destroy. Okay.
Yeah. But if we use Vagrant destroy -f. Okay, so what it will do, it will not, in that case, it will not ask, it will directly destroy all the resources. shut down the VMs and destroy the resources.
Okay.
So it is in destroying VMs, and so whatever the VMs it has waited. Okay, now I will show you one more thing on this. So whatever we have done, has been gone in a Oracle VirtualBox. So if I open my Oracle VirtualBox,
Mm-hmm.
you see here we have this Vagrant default, this Vagrant power off, this is running, this is power off.
Okay.
So in this way, it was been. If you go to the details of this, that this is about this, what is being created, and we will put from this. It will be net one adapt. So all when we are doing it from the SSH client, this virtual box is being created. These virtual box are being created.
Okay.
Okay, this one and this.
Well, we created one in the cloud, the other one on the local box.
Yeah.
So how can we see them in the virtual box?
No, actually, this is one we created now. One I have created when I was checking if everything is working fine or not. That's why two.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Because virtual box is same, which I am using. So before giving you, I just check if everything is working fine or not. So
Okay.
okay. So now you want to practice this later on or just now? These commands.
Yeah, we can. Yeah, we can do later on. That's fine.
Okay, but I will give you one thing. So this is about today's topic, the different command.
Okay.
Okay, so I will send you one Word doc.
Okay.
So in that, I will just give you one complete scenario to work with the different command.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and then you can just practice.
Okay.
And the cloud things which I am facing, I will just check it out and I will just give you the input that where the error is, and we can do that.
Sounds good.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank
Thank you very much.
Thanks. Okay. Bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.